Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.